Of course, everyone's ecstatic that we were able to pull with the win today. Sobrang happy rin kami kasi everyone followed our game plan for today. That's why we were able to win. We were able to win the game today. So we're just very happy now and very proud of the kids that natuto na silang sumunod sa mga instructions sa kanila.
To get lead, you had 14 of 29 attacks, 3 blocks, and 2 digs. So, medyo slow start na kayo. The scoreline is 14-25, pero you were able to pull off this victory. Ano masasabi niyo sa pinakita niyo kahit 2%? Hindi maganda yung showing niyo, Jason.
Siguro yung pace namin, kailangan pa namin i-workout. Tapos, yung spacing namin. So, yun na.
Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, ano lang masabi niyo sa character na pinakita ng team na complete nila yung comeback against finalist pa na UST last season?
Of course, I'm very happy kasi yun nga, since sila yung finalists last year, syempre sila yung magiging isa sa mga gauges ninyo. So, sila sa mga titingnan nyo kung you want to check kung nasaan na kayo at this moment as a team yung laro ninyo. So at least ngayon nakita naman namin na hindi kami nagpapahuli sa level nila. And then yun nga, good teams will only push us forward. So we're very lucky that we have teams like UST who pushes us to be great every game. So ayun, thank you.
Jeff, yun nga hindi ka gaano nagamit ng past few games pero ngayon starter role, ano lang masabi mo dun sa pag-step up mo and kumbaga pag-prove ng worth mo?
Yun nga, parang nung una kasi parang hindi ako nag-expect ng magandang gagawin. Tapos sinundan ko lang yung game plan ni Coach kasi yun nga, galing ako injury. Tapos, ayun.
Anong injury?
Yung nerve, naipit. Sa left leg.
Coach, talk about lang yung performance ni Jeff, naging player of the game.
Well, ever since Jet played for us, he's been a starter. Yun nga lang, he was pushed back kasi nga dahil nga sa injury niya. So, thankfully, he was able to recover in time. Medyo napaaga pa nga kasi ang target namin talaga is target natin is second round pa siya makakalaro. So, thankfully, medyo nakita ko rin naman yung effort niya para mag-therapy, para gawin lahat, para maka-recover at makatulong sa team niya. So, I'm very happy. And yan, medyo ba, deserve ko ba? Medyo deserve naman niya yung magandang laro niya today kasi yung pinaghirapan niya, at least nakita niya na nag-workout talaga kasi nagbunga talaga.
Coach, medyo up and down so far after 5 games. Medyo papalit-palit panalo-talo.
Yes.
I guess parang going into the second round and yung last 2 games yun. I guess paano nyo na lang isisik yung consistency na tuloy-tuloy natin?
Well, siguro kailangan na siguro hindi kami maging kampante kasi masyadong baka sabihin dahil galing sa panalo, we're very complacent. So siguro doon yung nangyayari na isa siguro sa mga issues na kailangan namin i-address. Especially na ngayon na very high yung emotions, very high yung adrenaline. So we really have to manage kasi nga sabi nga lang, we're only as good as our last game. So kailangan lang talaga namin proper mindset going to the next games.
Congratulations, Coach Team.
Yeah.
And thank you.